Press and hold button M. Enter the settings interface. Plus and buttons control up and down selection. Short press the power button to return. Enter the system. View the current version information. Enter the BLE pairing. Bluetooth connection. Enter the anti-locks. Automatic screen lock time can be selected. If you choose 5 seconds, during the period of no operation, the remote control will automatically lock the screen. Press the plus button to unlock the device. Enter the LED. Light mode can be selected. Enter the track. You can select the GPS refresh time. Enter the reset. You can reset the remote and go back to the beginning.